Welcome to APAC Braid Academy. In today's lesson, we'll learn feed-in braiding step by step. Feed-in braids create a natural look as you add hair piece by piece to each braid. Begin your braid by parting a section of the hair. Now, take your hair that you'll be using and take your desired amount of hair for the braid. I like to begin with a section of hair, the amount of hair that will determine my size of the braid. Most important part, take the braiding hair and take each section that you will use for the feed-in braid. First, you're going to go ahead and grip the beginning of the edge. Just like this. Remember tension control. Once you do about 2 cycles of the pattern, you want to add your first piece of hair to gradually add into your braid. Next, you want to take it here in front, then you want to wrap it around this outside section of the braid, and then grip it with the 2 grip fingers here in the middle. Take your outside braid hair that's left, which is the natural hair, and then begin to braid as well. This section that is left out, place that with the other hair, and then you have created your first feed-in. Next, add your next piece of hair. Around the outside, in, and grab. What's left outside, bring that in, and then you will continue on with each section of hair that you separated. Next, next, and your last piece of hair, out, in, grab this piece of hair here, and around. Now you have added each section that you separated. Now you can begin to braid until it's all the way to the end. Remember tension control while braiding. What a natural look. This wraps up today's lesson. Remember, take your time. Feeding braids takes repetition and continuously practicing the technique. If the braid becomes bulky at the top, you're adding too much hair too quickly. Just take your time and practice. Continue on to the next lesson in the playlist. I'll see you at the next lesson in APAC Braid Academy.